Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA on PC with a PS3 controller. First, you'll need to download and install the necessary drivers for your PS3 controller. Motion in Joy or SCP Toolkit are popular choices that help your PC recognize the device. Once installed, connect your PS3 controller to your PC using a mini USB cable. Your computer should then detect it as a game controller, ready for the next steps. After connecting, open the driver software you installed, like SCP Toolkit. Within the application, you'll need to select your PS3 controller from the list of detected devices. For optimal compatibility with most PC games, including FIFA, choose the Xbox 360 controller emulation mode. This makes your PS3 controller appear as an Xbox 360 controller to your PC. Finally, apply these settings to ensure everything is configured properly. Now that your controller is configured, launch FIFA on your PC. Once in the game, go to the main menu and find the controller settings or customization options. You should see your PS3 controller listed, likely as an Xbox 360 controller. Select it as your primary input device. Take some time to customize the button mappings to match your personal play style, ensuring a comfortable and responsive gaming experience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your PC and the controller software can often resolve minor glitches. Also, regularly check for driver updates to ensure the best performance and compatibility. Many online communities and forums offer solutions for common problems, so don't hesitate to search there. For those looking to improve their financial game, check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals. Enjoy playing FIFA with your PS3 controller.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.